How you doing, folks? So, welcome back. A wee review tonight. So I'd like to say a big thanks to beargoods.co.uk. So they've kindly sent me a set of carbon fibre walking poles, and very nice they are too. So I will put links to their channel, links to their website in the description. They do quite a new company, so go and check them out. They're bringing a lot more products in. When you click on their website, you'll see they do all sorts of stuff. From I think they're doing tents, cooking gear, walking poles, tent accessories, all sorts of stuff. But for the review tonight, we're going to have a look at the carbon fibre quick lock telescopic poles. So they look very, very nice. So let's get them out of the bag. It comes in 3 sections. Right. Also comes with several attachments. We'll go through them in a minute. More attachments in there. Obviously they're carbon fibre, very, very light. I've got another pair of walking poles, not carbon fibre, and these things are they weigh next to nothing, so they look really, really nice. Right, the strap is a breathable strap, complements the cork handle. So again, obviously the kind of cork, what is it they say, it kind of helps. I don't think you get as many blisters in your hands and things like that, so nice ergonomically designed handle. You can see that there. Right, the name is Hito Hike. I think it's Hito Hike. Don't know if you can make that out. Right, but when I say they're light, they are extremely, extremely light. Right, pole length is obviously adjustable, and it's also quick release, so ideal. It's not a case you've got to unscrew them and tighten them up, it's just a case of quick release. Lengthwise, 64 centimetres to 135 centimetres, so fully adjustable. Also comes with carbon tungsten steel tips, and they even give you a wee spanner to fit them as well. Also comes with this double clip, which I take it clips onto your poles, so you can basically hold them together. So another wee good wee addition, to what comes in the whole pack. So what we'll do is we'll put them together and see what they're like. But looking at them so far, very impressed. These are the carbon fibre versions, but they do other ones as well. But carbon fibre are obviously a lot lighter. So we'll put it together and we'll see what they're like. Like I say, they're quick release, so it's the case of slotting them in and basically tightening them up. So I don't know if you can make that out. So it's just a wee kind of screw section, and then it basically clips into place. So very nice. Right, and then it's the same with the bottom section. Slots in. Obviously I've just got these out of the bag, so I need to tighten them up. And boom. Right, so you can see there, like I say, 64 centimetres to 135. Very nice. I definitely am liking these. Very, very comfy as well. Even like the section at the top, it's almost got a lot of almost like a thumb rest on it. So very good. So that's the two of them put together. definitely very nice poles. As well as that, you also get all the attachments. So it comes with the normal, what you would call these, but it comes with those already fitted. Right, obviously they pop off. Right, like I say, it has got the carbon tungstile steel tips, and it also comes with, what did I see though? There's actually a spare set in the bag as well, so that's good as well. It's not often you normally buy a pair of poles and they just come with the tips in them, but this has actually got a spare set as well, so that's actually quite a good wee addition. Right, on top of that, you get these feet as well. So again, you just pop on the bottom, right, and then you get another bag. So you're spoilt for choice. Get a set of, I can't remember what these are called, but get a set of those ones. And you also get a set of these larger ones as well. So I dare say these are more for like snowy conditions, etc. And again, they'll basically just slot on the bottom like that. So definitely a really good, it's actually a really good set. You get everything basically you need, all the wee extras. So like I say, it's beargoods.co.uk who basically manage to supply these. They're also going to be sending me some other gear to review as well, so I'll keep that for other videos. I've got a few things coming from them, so hopefully we'll get a few reviews done and some different kind of camping equipment. I think folk like to see, well, I always like to see folk that get new gear and what it's like. Any good, is it a load of rubbish? But I must admit, I do like these. These are very nice, and I can't believe they really are. Obviously they're carbon fibre, but they're very light. There's that. Like I say, you also get this wee, almost like a wee clip. So basically what you can do, so obviously you get them strapped to your pack, and that basically holds them together. So another good wee gadget. So pretty impressed with these. Like I say, I'll put the link down below to their website, and you can go and check it out, because they do a lot of, I mean I've had a look at their website myself, and they really do. It's a new company, like I say, but they do a lot of different stuff, all sorts of different camping equipment. So hopefully you'll go over and check them out. Like I say, I'll put the link below, but that's basically the carbon fibre quick lock telescopic poles from Hito Hike, I think it's Hito Hike, right? But like I say, it's beargoods.co.uk, so go over and check them out. That's basically it. Hope that gives you an idea of the carbon fibre walking poles, and you can go and check their website out and see all the other stuff that they sell as well. So thanks for watching, see you in the next one.